Glue gun glue stick has same effect like Fevikwik. It dries immediately and permanently. Unlike Fevicol, which takes time to dry up, this dries immediately.
This is a glue gun from Glun brand. I have purchased this online Amazon. This is a very small glue gun. There are sizes available in glue guns. This is a small glue gun and this has costed me 180 rupees. Always prefer a glue gun which comes along with the glue sticks. Do not purchase glue sticks separately. Prefer ones which come with the glue gun. Now there are 10 sticks that I have purchased. It had come with the glue gun. These are 9 here and the 10th one is in use. This is to be fitted directly. There is a hole here. You can see this can be coming out from here. This is a hole. When there is no inside glue stick, you can directly insert this straight to the tip here. It will reach from inside till here. Now this has already been fitted. Why we should use glue guns is the glue from the glue gun acts like a permanent glue. Glue gun is harmless. Now I'll plug this glue gun to heat it for some time. Now as you see, this is on off button. I have switched the plug on and this is on. Now we'll test this glue gun. This is the exact amount of time. I'm not pausing the video or editing this video. This is the exact amount of time it takes in order to melt the inside glue. You can test this after some time whether the glue has already melted or started melting. It's not. You can see it's still dry. Some more time. Again, I'll test this. No. Now you see the glue has started coming outside. It has started melting.
The benefit of glue gun is, unlike Fevikwik, it is harmless and it doesn't stick to your skin or peel off your skin.
Especially it's very dangerous with the kids around. This is completely, it's safe. Even if you touch it, even if it sticks on your hand, doesn't make any difference. It's just like wax, it will automatically come out. But it's a permanent, it acts very much like a permanent glue stick. Till you apply a lot of force, it will not come out. For sticking anything in the DIYs, we use the glue gun because it acts like a permanent glue. This is a very lightweight glue gun and only 180 rupees. The plastic is also very hard and tough, unlike very poor quality plastic. If I switch off the plug, still I can use a glue gun till the glue is heated already inside. So you can travel with the glue gun around the room after heating it for some time. I hope this helps in your DIYs.